Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete your Discord account. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step at this home page. At the bottom right, you can see the U icon. You need to tap over there and you'll be to this kind of interface. And at the top right, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap over there. And here you can see numerous options. You need to tap on the option account. And here you can see various options. Now if you scroll at the end, there you can see account management section. And below that, there you can see two options, disable account or delete account. Now if you tap on disable account, your account will be disabled only. But if you delete your account, then it will be deleted permanently. Now you need to tap on delete account. Now this kind of box will pop up. You need to simply enter your password over here. After you are done, you can simply tap on OK. And now you can see that your account has been deleted. And this is how you can delete your Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.